I hope you all are doing well, and I hope your preparation for June 2026 attempt is going great. Just 50 days left for exam. That's all. It's only 50 days. Whatever you have studied till now is one game, and what you're going to study from now is altogether another game which can change your result. Trust me, from now is totally another game. Your consistency from now can change your result. Yes. And a question from those students who have not started your studies: can I crack it in 50 days? Yes, absolutely. Yes, you can crack your exam in 50 days. With strategic planning, with consistency, it is 100% possible. Now, to make your planning simple, we have come up with the list of important chapters which you can focus on. We have analyzed all the past attempts and the pattern in which ICSI gives questions. Based on that, we have made the list of important chapters. So before we get into that list, I want to tell you there is something that I always tell my students, that you have to attempt for 100 marks. This is mandatory. So it is always better that you don't leave any chapter. And earlier you had around 18 chapters in JIGL. Now you only have 14 chapters. So at that time, every single chapter becomes very important. You can expect questions from all the chapters. So please don't leave any chapter, but due to time constraint, you have to finish maximum syllabus in very less number of days. That time you can only focus on the important chapters. So yes, let us get into the list. Now I have categorized into three parts. Part 1 is your first list, part 2 and part 3. So in your first list, you have 5 chapters. The most important, you cannot leave this chapter. Mandatory, you have to do it. Okay? Constitution of India, law related to crime and procedure, contract law, CPC and sources of law. Very, very important. You cannot leave any of this. Now in this Constitution, law related to crime and procedure, contract law and CPC is quite lengthy. Yes, it is quite lengthy. So give it sufficient time. Now, how do you plan your 50 days? That I will come to it later. First, we will see this list. So, and then you have sources of law. Now, sources of law, a lot of students tend to leave this chapter, telling that it is very dry, too much of theory to remember. But trust me, sources of law is the most easy chapter and very, very, very interesting. So if you want to watch the video of sources of law, I have already covered in detail sources of law in just 1 hour. You can go to the channel and check that video, so that in just 1 hour sources of law is completely done. Yes, and sources of law is comparatively smaller chapter where you can expect more marks. Okay, so Constitution of India, very lengthy chapter. Give it time, finish it. BNS, BNSS, very important. Contract, very, very important. And quite simple also, but too many things to remember. And then CPC, source of law. This is your list 1. Alright. Then comes your second list. Arbitration, law relating to evidence, NI Act, interpretation of statute, law of tort. Okay. Now here, law of tort is pretty small, simple, easy, very easy to be honest. Even that video is already there in this channel, so please check it out. In just 1 hour or something, I have covered the entire law of tort. And then your interpretation of statute, even NI Act is already covered. In just 2 hours, NI Act is covered, so please check it out if you want to watch. In detail, it is covered along with questions. Okay. And then BSA, arbitration, too many things to remember, but very important. Okay. Next is your last list. Very small chapters. Admin law, Limitation Act, Right to Information, Information Technology Act. All these 4 chapters are very small. So I have kept it in the last list. Compared to all of the chapter, this goes below, but even these are very important. You can easily expect questions, easily expect 5 to 6 marks from each chapter. So this is very small and you can easily crack it. This is the list. You can focus your studies in this priority of order. This should be the order, okay? This Consti, BNS, BNSS, contract, CPC sources, arbitration, BSA, NI Act, statute, tort, admin law, limitation, RTI, and IT Act. Okay, you can focus in this order and crack your June 2026 attempt. So again, I'm telling you, 50 days you have. Please don't leave any chapter. 50 days is sufficient to crack 14 chapters for this subject, of course. Okay, so you can easily crack it. Now in JIGL, you don't have parts like in company law. Here it is just one part and 14 chapters. So that time every chapter becomes very important. Okay. Now, how do you plan your 50 days? Now we have two categories of students. One student who has already completed all your studies and it has started the revision. The second set of student who has just not started the studies at all. So you will have to start your studies from now. So that is the next category. And the third category who is in middle, half done, half pending. So for all of you, 50 days you have now. So first 20 days or 20 to 25 days. I would say 20 days, okay? So you can give the first 20 days to finish this 5 chapters. Why am I giving 20 days? Because all of these chapters are very important and quite lengthy also. I want you to be very thorough with these 5 chapters. In these 5 chapters, again, don't be picky that you choose one and you leave the remaining topic. No, don't do that. All the 5 chapters are very important. Give it sufficient time. 20 days around say you can give. So give it that time and be done with this 5 chapters. Solve all the past year questions of this 5 chapters. Okay, you should be done in 20 to 25 days maximum. Not more than that. Okay, so considering that you would also be studying other subjects, so you can give 20 to 25 days. And then the next set, give 10 days. That's all. Give 10 days for 5 chapters. In that, tort is very simple. Interpretation of statute is also comparatively simple. You just will have to, you might face a little problem with arbitration and you don't have to worry. All the chapters we are coming up with fast track revision series that would be purely exam oriented only. So completely exam oriented chapter wise revision series we will be coming up with. You can make use of that and ace this June 2026 attempt. So here BSA might be a bit tricky for some. Don't have to worry. We'll be coming up with fast track revision series. So you can give good 10 days. Manage that you are done with 5 chapters in 10 days. And then you have the last list. Very small, easy, simple chapters. Give around 3 to 4 days, 3 to 5 days and be done with it. Anywhere between 3 to 5 days and be done with this particular list. So in maximum 40 days, you are done with your JIGL. You are still left with another 10 days. If you finish just in 20 days, in just 35 to 40 days, you are done with JIGL. Okay, so when I tell that you are giving 20 days for 5 chapters, hardly you will have to be very consistent every single day by giving some 2 hours in a day for JIGL. That's all. And you are done with it. So be very consistent because now the key is whatever you are studying, you cannot afford to forget that because revision time is quite less. So those students who are starting, who are going to start your studies now, it is very important that you cannot afford to forget things. So be very consistent every single day. You study one chapter and then you open that book after 10 days. You're not going to remember. So that is why please be very consistent. Every single day you are opening JIGL for 2 hours or something and you are done. All right. So the key here is after studying every chapter, you need to solve past year questions. Very important. Only then you can test yourself. Testing ourselves is very important. Just you're studying, you feel that you know everything. No. I have already covered how do you need to study in detail. That is covered in that crack crack JIGL in 90 days. Okay, in that video everything is covered in detail. How do you need to plan your studies? So one tip here is, once you are done with your studies, go to the index page of ICSI where they have given all the list in your module, and just check if you are able to recall everything. You're able to recall, then you're going on the right track. But if you're not able to recall, then no, whatever you're studying is just going waste. So make sure that you find different techniques. So you can just, on the wall, you can paste huge kg cardboard and start writing those things that you're continuously forgetting. So those ways you can just make your studies fun and interesting. Just read it loudly, shout in your house whatever you're studying. Okay, that is the best way to remember theory. Now, yes, I agree, JIGL is theory, bit dry, but you have to make it super interesting because it is there in your exam. You need to crack it, and it is your very first paper. So when the first paper goes well, it just boosts your confidence. Yes, so you need to crack it. Okay, you have to make your studies fun and interesting. Only you can do that. So this is your list, and this is how you have to plan your 50 days for the subject JIGL. I hope this video is very helpful. Before we end the video, there is another thing that you are waiting for. Important topics of all the chapters. So all the chapters, important topics is covered here. You can go through this list. Can I only do this? Definitely not. You have to study all the other topics along with this. You can prioritize this. That is, okay, now we are done with constitution. Just quickly go through, oh, am I able to recall this article 12, article 13, no, this is very important, article 14. That way you can just focus on, for revision purpose, you can make use of this. Along with that, those students who have very less time and you're planning to leave any chapter, which you shouldn't be doing, but if you're planning to leave any chapter, then let's say you just didn't have time to do IT Act. So you can quickly go through all of these topics, at least cover these topics, so that you are not leaving any chapter. Okay, at least these important topics you are sorted. Okay, again I'm telling you, with proper planning, in 50 days, you can study all the 14 chapters very, very nicely. So plan things well, study well, be consistent. You can ace June 2026 attempt. All right, students, if you have any doubts, you can comment down in the below. We are there to help you out. All right, thank you for watching this video. All right.